apat na blocks, 2 aces across the board. Contributions and production for the Lady Red Spikers. They're led by Angel Habacon with 6 points in that first frame. And EAC, si Jing Alime naman ang nangunguna with 5 points as Magnayi commits the service error. So kakabanggit lang natin na yun yung isa sa mga nagbigay sa San Beda ng set number 1. Error agad ang simula para sa EAC. That's Habacon and Cañete. 1-2 punch of San Beda. But this is Cara Dayanan who scores.
Caught napping yung depensa ng San Beda. That the opposite attacker was supposed to cover the backside ng kanilang depensa of that challenge.
I think kailangan pong paikutin yung mga pasa para dito sa EAC. That's a good first ball. Look at the give to Angel Habacon, but Alimen kicks it. Habacon, Magnayi, Dayanan. Nandun si Cañete. Batchar will try. Magnayi covers it up. Dayanan. Angel again. Oh. De Andres. Razonable puts it through.
A good attack there by Razonable, but even better floor defense by this squad. Look at this pop-up using the legs.
Woo!
Pwedeng sepak takraw.
Pwede. Right leg save.
Inside inside ankle.
Yeah. Ba yun, ha?
Una.
Nicely done by Jing Alimen, and it led to a point for them. Razonable converts. And now, she goes to the back. Batchar with the tip. It is returned, but it rolled out.
Tough make para kay Batchar. Pilipit na tip to the other side. Tingnan mo ito, ha? Pilipit, going for that opposite side. Enough juice on that spin to get clipped but not hit.
Yeah. Magnayi. Alex. Oh, Alex rolls it in.
Oh, hesitation when it comes to Hiponya. Hiponya, Navarro, and Cañete. Nagkahiyaan. Makikita mo dito, off this tip. Nakatingin silang tatlo. Oops. Oops. Yan na, besh. Kunin mo na yan. Diba? Magkaganon. And usually, yung mga middle attacks kasi, yung nasa likod. Nasa zone number 2. Yun yung aabante.
Oh!
Double touch.
Infraction on Magnayi.
Double contact.
So, toe-to-toe tayo sa simula ng second set. And we're starting to see some quality rallies here, Coach. Both teams getting their groove, warming up. Oh, Cara Dayanan. That's somebody EAC needs to activate more. Angel Habacon has been activated since set 1.
A lot of juice.
Yeah, that's arm and wrist action.
Ganda yung mechanics. Ganda yung mechanics. Kasi kahit na anong lakas mo, pangit yung mechanics mo. Yung direction ng bola. May alanganin.
Oh, Hiponya. Oh, Alimen with another spectacular save.
Making plays.
Angel off the block.
Hindi na ba pinupunta ng bola rito? Girls, relax, girls. Ready tayo, ready tayo.
Ready naman kami. Walang problema. But Hiponya, right, he had the right intention. But Alimen somehow got to it. Yeah.
Dalawang big plays na to si Alimen, ha? Yung mga scorekeepers natin, nakangiti, natutuwa sila dun sa...
Galing ni Jing.
Oo. Underrated eh. Oh, good one.
One-handed save. This time from Batchar.
Oh, yun na naman, nagkahiyaan. Angel, ikaw na. Ikaw na. Kahiyaan. Miscommunication. Miscommunication. And for a game for any sport, very integral yung integral part yung you communicate. Both offensively and defensively. Lalo na sa depensa.
Sayang yung one-handed save ni Batchar. Ito, siya ang magbibigay ng free ball. Magnayi.
There you go.
Oh,
There you
Jaja
go.
Villena with a sweep.
Narinig tayo. First time na binigyan si Jaja Villena. Pet set niya yung back set eh. Neto ni Magnayi. In this set alone, mga 4 na beses na niya ginawa. Dalawa kay Diana, isa kay Razonable on that side, isa kay Villena.
And she'll get used to it. Talking
Oh, yeah.
about Magnayi. Oh, Bedural rises. Razonable off speed again.
Go to the well.
Angel gets shut down at the net.
That's what Villena needed. She needed her first point. Kasi kaya siya pinupuntahan ng maaga. Usually, ganun yan eh. Pagka meron ka mga middle blockers, kasi sila yung tatrabaho talaga sa depensa. Feed mo kahit una o dalawang beses.
Yeah.
Papuntusin mo, gaganahan na yan.
Yeah. And it'll have an effect on the other team's blockers as well. 3-0 run for EAC. The Andres keeping the ball in play. Jing Alimin too wide to the right. 6-all. These errors stopping EAC's momentum.
Angel Habacon.
Now it's Angel Habacon proceeding to the service area.
Na-try mo na mag-jump serve. Ako never ko pa na-try mo.
Hindi pa.
Ang
Parang
hirap timingan. No?
Oo.
Pagkatitignan mo pa lang.
hindi ko
Takes a lot of
susubukan.
skill.
Ryan Cañete.
Rayan Cañete, regalo. Pwede tayong sumubok, pero hindi ganyan yung tumutupi sa ere.
Ako alam ko na yung mangyayari. Hindi ko nasusubukan.
Yeah, that's too powerful for EAC. Cañete getting rewarded. Oh, look at the elevation, but it's too strong this time. Oh, excellent receptions natin. EAC with 12 so far compared to 5% Beda.
Serving now
So
for
just when it
EAC,
comes to
Alex
reception,
Razonable.
Maganda signal nila.
oh, but I feel like the errors are canceling those out, Coach Hammer.
Kasi makukuha mo yung first ball, madidig up mo yung mga atake, makaka-receive ka ng magandang service. Pero, end of the day, kailangan mo fabricate ka ng puntos.
Yeah.
Hindi error. Ang error yung nangyayari.
That's right. Oh, dito pumuntos ang EAC.
Eliza Alimen.
And we are sent to a quick break on the other side. Papakinggan natin ang
First
report ni
technical
Riri
timeout of the
Khalid.
set.
Hi mga kapuso! My name is Julia Ong and we are here today at the Lyceum of the Philippines University para makisaya at makigulo sa kanilang pep rally. Kaya tara, samahan niyo ako!
Hataw at walang keme sa pagsayaw, yan ang ipinamalas ng iba't ibang mga atleta mula sa host school ng NCAA Season 100.
NCAA Season 100 Women's Volleyball Tournament. Huwag maging over-aggressive. Tamang diskarte, tamang puwersa. Yan ang panawagan ni Assistant Coach Sid Hilario ng EAC Lady Generals. Now, during the timeout, they were reminded about their coverage along with their services. Napakagaan daw ng mga serves. Kaya naman pag-uulit ni Coach Sid, kailangan may speed at syempre, control sa bola. Nakakalimutan na rin na mag-enjoy ng Lady Generals dahil sa mga binibitawang errors. Kaya naman this set 2, coverage, services at errors ang babantayan ng mga general. Hindi man kumpleto ang hukbong sandatahan ng mga general, pero payo nga ni Coach Rod Palmero is to always think positive. Kayaning lumaban alang-alang sa koponan. All for now, Martin Coach Hammer, balik sa inyo.
Maraming salamat, Riri Khalid. Well, we'll see if EAC responds here. It is an overpass. Regalo sa gitna. Jaja Villena coming alive.
3 of their last 5 points.
Yeah.
Coming off Jaja Villena. And how about this hit from her? Good presence of mind.
Ito, EAC is
Oh.
responding, following instructions. Mula kay Coach Sid.
Oh,
Another 3-zip run
yung,
for the Lady Generals.
sabi nga ni Coach Sid, di ba, dun sa timeout, sabi ni Riri, yung control ng bola, ball security is job security. Yan yung sinasabi ng coach namin dati. Huwag ka magtatapon ng bola. Huwag ka magtatapon ng bola. Might be a different sport, but the moment that you have possession, you need to really take care of that possession. Golden ticket mo yun eh. Gotta stack up plays na magaganda.
Can't waste anything.
wins.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Serving now for the Lady Red Spikers, Rian
But
Bedran.
the definition of that here in volleyball is first getting a good first pass.
Good first ball ka, receive ka muna. O kaya kung magsa-serve ka, ganda may service mo. Tapos cover ka na agad sa depensa. Good pop-up.
Wow. Oh, this is gone. Jing Alimen.
Lakas pumalo. Ganda ng matchup natin ng mga ace attackers dito. Alimen and Habakon.
Yeah. It is a head-to-head battle.
In favor of
Tsaka ramdam mo yung arrive eh. Baka palo. Ramdam mo eh.
Correct.
May mga iba kasi sabihin lang nila ace eh. Pero pagka pumalo. Pero bawat team naman may gano'n. Yun lang.
Service ace. Unleashed by Jaja Villena.
4 points in this set.
Tuluyan ng nabuhayan dito sa ating laban.
Hindi ako fan nun, yung overhead na chop receive. Tinatanong ko doon sa mga kaibigan kong coaches.
Too awkward.
Oo, parang ang hirap kontrolin ng bola. Kasi pagka kailangan mo iangat yung kamay mo, tapos habulin mo pa para iangat na hindi siya galing sa rally. Ibig sabihin, over na eh.
Yeah.
Diba? So, it's either mapupunta sa outside or bola na nang nasa likuran mo.
And I feel like it's off-tempo. Hindi kasing dali basahin yung galaw. Hindi katulad ng normal na leg. Hiponya. Cañete. This is Magnayi going to Alimen. She catches the corner.
Corner pocket. Di man lang kumalog. Straight shot. Up and down. Right there.
For the Lady Generals, Ashley McKnight.
12 points for EAC here in the second frame as opposed to 9 for San Beda. Magnayi unleashes a good one. Erin Navarro. De Andres. Dayanan.
There you go. More confidence for Magnayi. Yun talaga eh. Parang if you're a setter, activate mo yung mga cheat points. Middle blocker mo na una. Sino yung unang rotate? Usually, ikaw yung ang mga employee ng coaches, setter ang unang magsa-serve para makaabante agad sila sa gitna. Bigyan mo. Meron kang dalawang wing attacker, meron kang middle blocker na nakapwesto na agad for a primary attack.
Huy, regalo.
Huy, return to sender.
Oo. Si Cara Dayana naman. Hiponya. Choosing the back row.
Parang front row din pumalo.
Oo. Tulak mula kay Dayanan. Cañete. This is a calm, long rally we're witnessing. Oh, drop ball ulit. Gumana naman para kay Alimen.
Full buelo, sabay drop ball.
The adjustment from Jing. And that's a veteran move coming from a first-year player.
Anang, bilisan mo yung atake mo. Bagal eh. Na-check nila dun sa mani. Yung Erin. Sinabi niya sa'yo kanina. Pagka magdadrop kayo, dun sa may pinakagilid na gilid. Diba? Control lang ulit. Pasa lang. Stop lang natin yung run. Stop lang natin yung run.
All right, that's Coach Josh Noda. Again, San Beda falling behind by 5 here. EAC unleashing another run.
Cool, calm, and collected.
Yeah.
Kalmado.
14.
Relax. Resonates to the younger generation.
Yeah.
I think, personally think. Na ganun eh. Papa-analyze mo sa kanila.
They connect with that more and relate to that more.
Kasi sa amin, pag kinausap kami ng kalmado ng mga coach namin, parang nagugulat kami. Galit ba siya? Galit ba siya?
Mas kakabahan kayo. Jing Alimen scores again. She is a machine.
That's her 10 points.
In double figures already.
Masama yung gising.
Oo nga
Masama yung gising.
At nangangalahati pa lang tayo dito sa ating second set.
Which yun yung kinakampi natin, Martin. Kasi nung, ano ba kalaban lang? Perps. Diba? Off the bench pa siya. Coming off a parang 19 or 20 point game.
Exactly.
Sagad mo na yan kung yan yung pinaka-potent mo na attacker.
Yeah, I remember that. Oh, inside.
Block point.
Jing Alimin,
Ladies and
her first point off a block. And it is now a 7-point lead
second
for
technical
EAC.
timeout of the set.
What is up mga ka-NCAA? Ako po si Christine San Agustin. Samahan po ninyo ako dito sa Mapua University para saksihan ang kanilang pep rally bilang suporta syempre sa kanilang mga atleta na ready nang sumabak sa NCAA Season 100. Let's go! So, kamusta naman ang mga preparations nyo for Season 100? Ikaw, Clint?
Naging maganda naman yung off-season namin kasi may mga overseas tournaments kami, practices kami like Japan and Indonesia.
Ang hashtag YouScoop sa inyong mga post. Abangan po namin kayo dyan. Please join our Facebook group, YouScoop, on, by a GMA as well. Martin Javier, Coach Hammer, Martin Antonio. Here
Nakapag-post
in the
ka na ba sa
broadcast.
YouTube?
Hindi pa. Ikaw?
Ako nagko-collate pa ako ng mga ASCAL dun sa, yung ASCALs in QC. Na marami kasi mga spots na pag nag-walking ako dati.
Feel good story pa lang, ang balak mong
Siyempre, din lang tayo.
Yun. Okay.
Yun tayo.
Tama. Alimen, meantime, has 11 points across her name if the block point counts. Happened earlier, Dayanan. Bachar.
There you go, boy.
Long ball for Bachar.
Sinubukan niya kanina yung check ball, yung kill block na nakuha ng EAC. Now she tried going cross-court downhill. More profitable investment para sa kanya.
Yeah. The lefty scores. And now it is 10-16. Magnayi papunta kay Dayanan. Ito na si Bachar using her offhand. It's good.
Janelle Bachar.
EAC doesn't like it. Let's see what happened. Was it in? This was the
11
tip.
serving 16.
Yeah, it was inside.
So, lagpas kalahati ng bola, nahulog sa loob.
Yeah. No question. Alimin. Jing Alimin.
Boy pa to. Good hustle play.
Yeah, that's good hustle, but it went right around the outside. So Jing Alimin with another powerful hit. She has taken over for EAC.
So nakikita mo yung value. Pag nasa likod si Angel, para ka merong very efficient and proficient na receiver din.
Yeah.
Tapos meron ka pang libero. Hindi siya libero pero may isa pang wrinkle na nakakapalo siya galing sa likod. Yeah. So, blue prospect. Di ba? Yung mga ganyan color-coded Yeah. Blue star na. Oy, blue chip. Pwedeng tignan, next level. Maraming naibibigay.
Pero ang problema dito, coach ng San Beda, which was not a problem for them in the first set, the reception.
Yep.
Lalo kapag...
Wala yata signal dun sa kabilang side. No? Dead spot yata yun.
Correct. Oh!
Kasi magot sa kabila. Wala.
Service error.
Error.
And they're saved by that Alimen service error. So 12-18 ang ating talaan.
Erin Navarro serving.
Erin Navarro serves it up. Diretso kay De Andres. Oh, Alimen with a set. Hiponia tracks it down. That's a difficult take.
Faulty first ball.
Habakon. Oh, Angel Habakon scores.
That was a tough take. That was a tough take. Getting that first ball, backpedaling. Hinahabol ni Hiponia yung set. Hinahabol niya
Yeah.
And then backpedaling, getting a point right here. Selling ka na scramble dyan off a block.
Yeah. Hiponia had to double her effort to track that ball down. Yeah. Grabe yung sprint niya doon. De Andres brings it to Magnayi. Eto na, si Razonable. That is red. Back row push. Hiponia over to Bachar. Deflected. Oh! Approach dapat ni De Andres. Kaya lang nasa harapan niya si Razonable.
Parang pabalik ng UN Avenue yung buwelo ni Razonable.
Oo. Oh, yeah.
Papuntang UN eh.
Kasi
One of those unforced errors again. Now, San Beda's making ground. They're just down by 4. Lot of time here to make up for the lost points. It's a few good first balls. Okay tayo. Back in business to.
Yeah, down the line, outside for Angel. That ends their own version of a 3-0 run. Angel Abacon. Masyado lang lihis.
Oh, yung buwelo niya masyadong, yung take off niya masyado sa outside.
Serving 14.
So, Rhea Magolona proceeds to the service line. Better pass. Uy, muntik tumawid. Pero
tumawid
panalo ang San Beda doon.
Tumawid sa kabila nga lang.
Janelle Pachon.
Let's see what happened here. That was too near the nets. Razonable tried to put it down, but Bachar sending it back.
15, serving 19.
Bachar will start. Alimen. Good first ball. Jaja Villena. Her push was checked.
Aha, yun yung timing pa nun. Yung timing pa. So kita mo when you're working with a different setter, different timing, different tempo.
Yeah. Timeout tayo. Tinawag ni Coach Sid.
Kung ano binigay sa'yo, stick ka doon. Huwag ka mag-alangan. Kala mo yung ibibigay sa'yo. Kung ano, mapapalo mo yun. Okay? Nag-ano ka, kinokontrol mo yung palo mo. Pali mo na malakas. Kesa yung gano'n na didepensahan. Ginagawa natin, nagtutuistuan tayo. Hindi tayo pwedeng gano'n. Ha? 1:1 is okay. Ha?
Go! Let's go! Patuloy na tayo, patuloy!
Substitutions for San Beda. Number 3 is Pina.
Balik sa ating laban.
Sabi ni Coach Sid, walang maling akala. Ibibigay talaga sa'yo. Malakas ka lang.
Score is 19.
Kanta yun ah.
In favor of EAC.
Gulat eh.
Kanta yan eh.
Oo naman. Siyempre ready tayo. Sabado ngayon, Brad eh. Marami tayong mga trupak na kanta
Batch natin yun eh.
Yes, exactly.
16-19. Ito na. Razonable. Was there a check? None. Oh, there was a check.
Tingnan natin kung may challenge dito ah.
They overturn it. Has to come. Hindi na i-challenge. So EAC will get it.
Hindi ko pa nalalapitan eh. Baka yun din yung baser sa Family Feud eh.
Sige, chill lang tayo.
Chill lang tayo.
Oh! Kanyete. Back row attack.
Ooh.
Loaded. Si SP na yung sumalo. De Andres. Magnayi to Villena. Abacon rises. But there was a net touch.
Net touch. Lady
So
Generals.
there's a new wrinkle here. Nag-i-improve na. Nagko-communicate na yung dalawa. Nag-uusap na sila. In this set, nakita natin, mas adamant na si Villena. Kinakausap niya talaga yung setter niya. First set eh, hindi nag-uusap eh. Yung mga nuances na gano'n, kailangan na importante yan. Kasi gusto ng setter mo, alam niyo kung saan kanya i-feed.
Yeah. Oh! Alex Razonable.
Good afternoon. Konting paramdam. And Angel standing up gingerly here on her right knee. Hopefully nothing is locking there.
Yeah.
Kasi yung mahirap sa mga MCL injuries. Baka latching yung tawag. Latching and locking. Pero wet spot. Yan ang kalaban dyan. Yung mga madudulas ka tapos isi-self-correct mo o mabilis. Instinctive.
Yeah. Yun yung nakaka-injure.
Yung nakakatakot pagka-injured ka.
And we've seen that so many times.
Yung naglalakad ka lang nga sa hagdan, pag di ka siya yung paamoy, yung nakakatakot na eh.
Yeah. Dito pa na,
na
full intensity at saka
full speed.
Full speed, yun.
Okay siya.
Okay naman daw. Back row hit. This is a chance ball for San Beda. Espina over to Cañete. Again, somebody touched the net from EAC side. Wow. So this is allowing San Beda to fight back.
Substitution for San Beda.
They were ahead
Banyas for number 17.
by a good number earlier, talking about EAC, and now it's down to 3. I think the biggest was 7 points. Banyas comes in to serve.
Tama ba si Banyas yung libero nila last year?
Yeah.
Correct, no? The service specialist ngayon.
True.
Offensive-minded. Open-minded siya. Open-minded.
Jamaica
Pero ito,
Villena.
Jab Villena gets activated by Magnayi.
That's it. That's it.
To put out the fire and bring momentum back on their side. So Coach Josh has seen enough.
Guys, i-organize lang yung block. Dalawa lang yung spikers, so tauin na natin. Frontline naman, huwag na kayo mag-worry dun sa setter kasi may naka-cover naman sa, sa base natin. So markahan nyo na, diba? Pagka sakto yung receive, automatic nagpa-pass play na sila. Bakit hindi natin ma-figure out yun? Diba? So pagka sakto na yung receive, isugal nyo na yun sa middle. Malaki yun eh, so gagawa tayo.
Sige, tignan natin kung anong execution dito. Si Gina Espina ngayon ang setter na nasa loob ng court. Nakita natin si Hiponia, katabi ni Coach Josh. Let's see if, well, the first thing that they need to secure is a good first ball.
Yeah.
And then,
haba pa to.
They can go to the middle as planned by Coach Josh.
22 serving.
Sugal ng araw yung gitna.
Villena, all over 5 points. Dito nang galing sa ating second set. Ito na, maganda ang first ball. Pero si Cañete ang pinuntahan.
There you go.
Not a bad idea.
Rayan Cañete.
Rayan Cañete puts it down.
Substitutions for San Beda. Number 15, Hiponia for number 8. And number 9,
Good hit
Bachar
there.
for number 3.
Rayan Cañete cuts the lead down to 3. Hiponia is back on the floor. Along with Janelle Bachar. And now,
Hiponia serving.
Hiponia serves. That's a good serve. Magalona, pancake by Angel. And this is going to be a chance.
Para may libero rin na isa eh.
Alimen, oh, absorbed. Good exchange. Alimen again. Adjustment, not gonna work. Bachar sends out the free ball. Here's Magnayi with a 1-2, too soft. Magnayi over to Alimen again. Alimen catches the line.
Eliza Alimen.
But excellent exchange for these teams.
Quite a long rally again for our game, but Alimen going down the line.
Serving.
She went hard hit, drop ball, then down the line. Tatlong variation, pinupuntahan talaga.
But again, she is attacking like a veteran. Kita mo yung adjustment, mabilis. Rayan Cañete takes this one from the other side. So,
ito yung mga paborito niyang atake noon, yung nandoon siya sa opposite. Kasi si Kat was an open siya, opposite siya nakakabuelo. So, cross-court talaga yung hinahanap niya mga palo.
And she was an excellent opposite spiker for San Sebastian. Yeah.
Parang she was on her second year lang nun.
Habakon pushing it. Dalawa nakaabang. Bachar puts it through. And San Beda cuts the lead down to 2.
Yeah, kumakatok. Laban lang. A good approach here by Bachar, pero ang ganda rin ng body control niya na hindi siya tumama sa net.
Napigilan niya yung momentum. 21-23. Dayanan. Tulak. Alimen. Kinargahan. And that's what they need to do. They've been going for those drop balls that are being read by the Lady Red Spikers. Si Alimen, pumower na finally.
Kargado ng nose.
Set point.
Bounce ball talaga eh.
Set point, EAC. And it's Jing Alimen to start. Boom. Rayan with the perfect pass. Bachar says we're not yet done.
Again, same attack, same setup job, same result. Cross court, zone 1, counted.
Gotta commend the reception of Cañete as well. Absorbing Aliment's jump serve. Hold on, there's gonna be a substitution here, but there's confusion. Will they allow Bedoral to come in for Navarro? Because Castillo is also coming in to serve.
Timeout.
Okay, tinuloy na sa timeout. Pero EAC ang tumawag neto.
Dito.
Pasok na sa Kareya.
Dulo po.
Dito, kabila. Si Kara nasa gitna. Kara, takbo kayo dito dalawa. Rhea, dito ka na sa 3-1. Ikaw, Alex, ang pumatong sa 1-3. 1-2. Kara, ikaw hiwalay. Pagka medyo kapang bola, bato mo kay Kara. Pero ang bato ngayon, sa kanya. Alex. Pag may blocker,
Pasa lang. Pag may papalo cover.
Let's go! Pag may papalo!
Coach Rod Palmero took the lead in that timeout. They need one more point
Now serving for San Beda.
to tie the match. Castillo in for the first time. De Andres with a good pass. Combination. Magnayi this time. Oh, that's an awkward set. Underhand pass. Magnayi over to Alimen at the back row. Too strong. And San Beda is still alive.
Kunat ng palo. So lumalaban pa rito.
Video challenge request by EAC.
Second set point saved, although
block touch.
We'll get a review. A challenge and our first one in the match. EAC looking for a block touch. Kaya ba umangat yung atake ni Jing? We'll see. But great action for both these teams, Coach.
Yep.
Really fighting for each point. As we see here, the Lady Generals, we told you, they are a very young team along with San Beda. San Beda is actually underrated height-wise.
Lalaki niyan.
Lalaki. Oo. Eto, tignan natin. Wala, hindi tumama.
After the review, there was no block touch.
Kasing lapit ng bahay ko sa San Andres. Ganun kalapit yung bola sa kamay.
Malapit lang. Hindi, malayo.
Mas malapit yung pill oil sa San Andres.
Siyempre. Okay.
Ayaw ko na, magbabasa na ako sa susunod. Bawal ang assuming sa buhay.
Okay lang yun. It happens. So, unsuccessful challenge for EAC. Here's Dayanan. Nice dig.
Chance na tayo.
Habakon ties it
go.
up. And Habakon is fired up. EAC is forced to an extension here in the second. Angel Habakon gets the check. 3 straight points for San Beda. Also 3 set points saved by them. Single block. Tulak.
Baon.
Angel. Cross court. Habakon gives San Beda the lead.
Saw it from a mile away. You go to your ace. She's cooking. And what more can you say?
Yeah. Cut shot for Angel. Look at the reaction here. All fired up. Pouring her heart out here in the second frame. Quick attack. Chance for San Beda to steal the set. No, and they do. Bachar gets the kill.
And the Lady Red Spikers
This is
take
the happiest that I've seen them in a long time.
Yeah.
And way to play and not give up. And Gina still stepping up.
Yeah.
Having a field day in the service area.
That's right. San Beda ending the second set with 5 unanswered points to take a commanding 2-0 lead.